Hello everyone, my name is Kulvinder Kaur. I am a student of Seneca College. Here I am going to describe about reflection of week 2, 3 and 4 of subject NLM 106. Firstly, I am starting with week 2 reflection and going to describe about objectives of week 2. First one is nursing informatics and health informatics. Second one is reason for nurses needing to have nursing informatics as a foundational skill. Third one is guiding principle nurses should follow as it pertains in nursing informatics. Firstly, definition of nursing informatics. It is a subspecialty which combines information, computer science, nursing science to manage and convey detailed knowledge and wisdom in nursing practice. Next is health informatics. Health informatics, it is a branch of representational science, the study of how data and information are represented. Next is the reason for nurses needing to have nursing informatics as a foundational skill. That is, nurses can learn how to make electronic health records and how to maintain these electronic health records. Next one is the guiding principles nurses should follow as it pertains in nursing informatics. It is the nurses must maintain confidentiality of a client and how to maintain the privacy of clients and to maintain proper documentation of electronic health records and avoid mistakes in these electronic health records. Next one is I am going to describe about the information and purposes of this information which will be useful for future nurse leader, and they can learn nursing informatics and it can be useful for proper monitoring of a patients and their health conditions and patient health care and maintain the proper health outcomes of a patient. There are several ways nurse leaders employ informatics to help increase patient satisfaction as well as safety. For example, nursing informatics help nurse leaders more efficiently communicate with other healthcare personnel and helpful for developing their communication skills. And next is week 3 reflection. And there are 3 objectives of week 3. First is different roles of nursing informatics in Canada, and second is Canada Nursing Association guidelines, and third is CASN, that is Canada Association of Schools of Nursing and its guidelines. First, I am starting with roles of nursing informatics which are present in Canada. That are nursing informatist, and next is nursing informatist specialist, and the next is clinical analyst, director manager, chief nursing informatics officer, informatic consultant, clinical application specialist, nurse educator and nurse instructor. Canada Nursing Association providing guidelines that are in both direct and indirect nursing responsibilities. Nurse informatics improve decision making. Canada Nursing Association viewpoint on primary health care corresponds with right use of informatics. Third is nurse should knowledgeable about informatics. Canada Association of Schools of Nursing guidelines and our goals is first is increase capacity. Next is involve key stakeholders and improve communication. This information can be useful for a future nursing practice in different ways. First is nurse can aware about all nursing informatics roles in Canada, and nurse can teach to other health medical staff about guidelines of both institutes which Canada Nursing Institute and Canada Association of Schools of Nursing guidelines, and it will helpful for information sharing and promotes collaboration between interprofession teams, and also helpful for proper patient. Next is week 4 reflection. There are different objectives of week 4, and first one is essential components of a computer in two types. First is internal components and second is external components. Internal components are electronic circuits, graphic card, microchips, USB drive, RAM, ROM, CD drive, motherboard, and external components are monitor, keyboard, speakers, mouse, CPU, which is central processing unit. Next objective is central processing unit performing basic operation, and basic operation is storage function with the help of ROM and RAM. Next objective is input, output, and storage devices description. First is input devices that are keyboard, mouse, scanner, webcam, microphone. The output devices are printer, monitor, and secondary storage devices are CDs, DVDs, USB drives, earphone, and the storage devices are fax machine, digital camera, USB memory drives. Next is how this information is useful for nurses in their future as a nurse leader. Nurses will use this information in future for easily analysis of the patient condition and to find out any medical error and provide safer care to patient. It also helpful for future nurses leader to reduce time consuming paper documentation and reduce duplication of them. It is also helpful to develop more connection between nursing and technology. It increases efficiency of a nurses in their unit, and it is also